Hello class 12. In this video, I will be revising with you the proposal, and in this part, I will be mainly revising with you the second quarrel, that is the quarrel about the dogs. Now before getting into the second quarrel, you already know I have revised in my previous video about the first quarrel, and it was about the oxen meadows. What happens after the first quarrel when Lomov goes, then Natalia comes to know that what was the reason why Lomov had come to her or to her father. That was for the reason of marriage and to ask of her hand from her father. This excites her very much and she really now loves Lomov. We get to see a change of attitude in Natalia towards Lomov, and she completely blames her father for throwing him outside the house, whereas it was she who had instigated her father to throw him outside the house. But when she comes to know that Lomov had come to propose her, she shifts the entire blame on her father and tells that it was you who had caused such a problem, and it is because of you that Lomov had gone out, so please go and fetch him. So father fetches him, and now she just through her conversation she wanted Lomov to bring back Lomov into the topic of marriage. Now before starting the marriage topic, she talks about hunting and all that, when Lomov informs her that his dog, that is Guess, is sick. And then she talks about what happened to Guess, and she comes to know that he had given 125 rubles for that Guess. And hearing this, Natalia thinks that this is too much, okay? And Lomov says that no, what I have paid is much cheaper, and he's a first-rate dog. Natalia then compares her squeezer with this Guess and says, Papa gave 85 rubles for the squeezer, and squeezer is a much better dog than Guess. This comment, okay, starts or ignites the conversation or the quarrel, the second quarrel. Natalia says, of course, he's better. Why she considers Squeezer to be better? Because it's young, it develops a bit, but on points and pedigree, it is much better than anything. Lomov says that, but Natalia, you are forgetting that your dog is overshot, and overshot, it means that your dog is a bad hunter. So in that respect, it is much below the scale. Natalia doesn't want to accept the fact, and she says overshot. Lomov says yes, his lower jaw, that is his lower jaw, is much shorter than the upper jaw. So in that respect, it cannot hold on to things properly. And now she says that, have you measured? How do you know that? Natalia says that Squeezer is a very well-bred dog, and it is the son of Harness and Cecil, and it is of the best pedigree. Okay. Lomov says he is old, and he says that he wouldn't take 5 squeezer for one Guess. He wouldn't take 5 squeezer. Okay. Natalia says that, I don't know why you have got a demon of contradiction in you today. First you had quarreled about the oxen meadows. Now you are quarreling about dog when you yourself know that Squeezer is a much better dog than your Guess. Lomov says, see Natalia, I cannot say like that because you think me to be blind. I know that my dog Guess is much better dog than your Squeezer. And then they shout at each other. While shouting, again we get to see Chuvukov enters, and when Chuvukov enters, again we find him a kind of he is talking against the dog of the Lomov, and he has already taken side of his daughter during the quarrel of Oxen Meadows. Here also he takes the side of his daughter, and he says that don't excite yourself. Lomov, he's already having a palpitation problem. He speaks nonsense about their family, and then suddenly he says, my heart, my hands, they're going to sleep. And then we come to know when Lomov is saying about an incident during that Marathon Sky hunt. His dog had run neck to neck with the Count's dog, whereas the Squeezer was left far behind. And what was the reason? This Shuvukov says that why Squeezer was left behind, because the Count's Weeper had hit the Squeezer with his whip. That is the reason he was left behind. So all these things, they start quarreling, and suddenly they start accusing each other. Shuvukov calls Lomov calls Shuvukov to be an intriguer, and then Shuvukov says that he is going to shoot Lomov like a partridge. And Lomov says that Shuvukov was most of the time beaten by his wife. Hearing this, Shuvukov says that he is every time under the sleeper of his housekeeper, and they get into a lot of conversation accusing each other's family. Lastly, the play ends with the champagne, and we see that somehow Shuvukov wants to end everything very quickly. He just wants to keep aside everything, and without coming to a proper conclusion, he makes sure that both of them gets marital bliss, and they get married, and the play ends with champagne, and they cheer, and Shuvukov tells them to start their family bliss with that champagne. Now in this part, the most important questions are: what was the reaction of Shuvukov when Natalia asked him to get back Lomov? He was saying that it's very difficult to be the father of a grown-up daughter, and he wants to kill himself. He uses words like unhappy and shoot, hang himself, which shows that he was not at the very mental peace during that time. Both father and daughter blame each other. Then we get to see what change in the reaction of Natalia. What change do we get to see? Previously she was quarreling regarding the Oxen Meadows, and then we see that this quarrelsome attitude had become something caring. She asked Lomov that what had happened to his dog, and what about his shooting, okay, and how is he feeling. So why this kind of a change? Because she came to know that Lomov had come to her place and to her father to ask for her hand. Then the most important question that can come from here is explain the second quarrel, that is the proposal. You have to write about guess, you have to write about Squeezer, you have to write about both the parties' accusation against their family, and what Lomov thinks about Squeezer, that is Natalia's dog, and what Natalia thinks about Guess, which is Lomov's dog. So that is important. Character sketch of Lomov, Shuvukov, Natalia are very, very important. While you will be writing the character sketch, the entire play should be taken into consideration while you will be writing about that. Here are the short questions like what is the age of Natalia, or Squeezer is a son of whom, or what is the price that is paid by Lomov for his dog, what is the price that Shuvukov has paid for his dog, what happened in that Marathon Sky hunt. So all these things are very important, or you can learn from the second part, or the second quarrel of the play, the proposal. Hope you have enjoyed the class, and you have revised the lesson properly. Thank you.